Good day to all of you. It is truly a privilege to deliver a message for the special celebration of Filipino Nursing Diaspora Day. With the theme, Respecting Rights to Secure Global Health, we celebrate the invaluable contributions of our fellow Filipino nurses worldwide. Magkalayo man tayo, isa ang layunin nating lahat, ang pagpapabuti ng kalusugan sa bawat sulok ng mundo. Each of you represents the skill and heart of the Filipino, a vital part of the advancement of global health. In your daily response to the challenges of your profession, you become a light and guide not only for your patients, but also for your communities. Sa panahong ito na patuloy na pagbabago, kinikilala natin ang mahalagang papel ng bawat Filipino nurse na naglilingkod saan man sa mundo. Ang inyong dedikasyon sa serbisyong pangkalusugan ay hindi lamang nagpapatibay sa inyong propesyon, kundi nag-aambag din sa mas malawak na aspeto ng lipunan. In this celebration, it is also important to recognize everyone's rights. As nurses, you lead in advocating for these rights, not only for yourselves, but also for everyone you serve. You are the voice of the voiceless, the strength of those in need. May this occasion serve as a reminder of our collective goal, a healthy world where everyone has the opportunity to live with dignity and health. Your skill and heart truly strengthen our cause. May this occasion serve as a reminder of our collective goal, a healthy world where everyone has the opportunity to live with dignity and health. Your skill and heart truly strengthen our cause. Maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na sakripisyo at serbisyo. Kayo ay tunay na mga bayani, hindi lamang ng ating bansa, kundi ng buong mundo. Patuloy nating isulong ang kapakanan ng bawat isa at sama-sama nating harapin ang mga hamon ng kinabukasan. Nandirito lang po ang inyong Senator Kuya Bongo na handang magserbisyo po sa inyong lahat sa abot ng aking makakaya. Mabuhay ang mga Filipino nurses, mabuhay tayong lahat.